Another typical Friday morning, farm fresh eggs and really unhealthy cinnamon rolls. Oh gosh, this plate is flimsy. Here, babe.
Thanks, sweetie.
You're welcome. Elias, how are those eggs? Hi, Levi. Yeah. I'm out running errands with the boys this morning, getting stuff for James on the house. James is working on the house, and it's snowing. It's snowing even more now, and we are pulling into the Dry Ridge location of Kelly Brothers, which is where we buy all of our supplies for our house. Handsome came home for lunch. Well, not home. Came back to the camper.
Would that be me?
That would be What are these crazy kids doing? Oh, that looks like a good game. Not.
Hey, kids. Well, babe, I got to go back over to the house and get back to work, but thank you very much for lunch.
You're welcome.
Lunch was excellent. Your chili was spot on.
I'm tired. The kids were up all night. I'm going to get these kids all bundled up, and we're going to go outside and watch James work and help him on the house.
Courtney.
He always makes farting sounds in the background. Ugh, he's such a guy. All right, I'll be over in about 10 minutes.
Alrighty.
All of the snow is already melted. James got more of this siding put on this side of the garage this morning. Excuse the noise in the background. The boys are riding around the John Deere Gator. And now, James is working on putting, is that J channel or F channel?
F channel.
He's working on putting F channel up so that he can put the soffit on the wraparound porch. James has all that J channel on the whole front of the wraparound porch. Now we're gonna work on putting the J channel up on this side of the house. Sorry, it's F channel. Now we got our little string. We got to chalk a line along the whole distance of this side of the wraparound porch.
Let's see.
This whole side is done. Now we just got to do the J channel on the outside of this part of the porch, and then all the J channel is done, and we can start putting soffit on. The soffit has to go around the entire wraparound porch. James is still working on the house, but the boys and I are headed back to the camper to get ready for dinner. We're going to try out a new restaurant tonight. Elias, how's those baked beans? Good. Look at those ribs. How are those ribs, babe? Good morning. Another weekend spent working on the house. John came over today, so thank you, John, for being here. We're going to go over to see what James and John are doing on the house now and see what the progress is. There's the boys.
Do I need to take that back out?
James, what are you boys working on?
Try it now, James. We're fixing the 2x4 blocking underneath the ridge caps because there's nothing holding the ridge cap down.
You can.
But I couldn't soffit this here because there was no blocking yet.
Let's do it.
Gotcha.
Come on. Step up.
James has got a lot of soffit done over the past few days. He's got all the soffit done there. He's got this here done. He's got this over here done.
Do you see it?
He did that. Then he's also got all of this done on this back side of the porch. We did that the other day. And then he's also got a lot done over here. All of this done in the back corner of the house. And over there. Well, I thought that I was finished with all these silly little white beads, putting them in every single screw hole for all the trim work on the house. But I just realized there's some windows on this side of the house and the back of the house that I missed. So, as you can see behind me where those holes are, I gotta get those filled in. Elias is helping. He's hammering those little beads in for me. Good job. Move on to the next one. Good job. You did it. Elias, good job. Want to do some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do some more. Now they're working on this back corner of the house, putting in more blocking for the roof. So that in there is the blocking that they just put in.
Daddy, look at these all white stuff on here.
Oh no!
Oh, white
Mommy,
stuff on
pick those
there.
up. We got a ton of boards to patch still.
Ow.
We got a ton of boards to patch.
I'll pick them up.
Oh, you got tons of work to do on this house.
We know, John. Thank you, Captain Obvious.
How much do I
Punch
get
you.
paid?
You're getting paid 1 grilled cheese sandwich and a bowl of tomato soup. Now they're working on the front corner of the house.
All my nails. That stinks. That's going right in your truck tire.
It's going right in your truck tire. James,
What?
that looks so dangerous.
I don't like it either. Okay. Courtney, could you hand me that drill down there?
Lunchtime in the camper.
Thanks, babe, for my grilled cheese.
You're welcome. My slaves to make that.
Courtney, do you mind heating my soup up?
Is it really cold?
It's cold.
John, give me that thing. I'll put it in the
I
microwave.
got light
Let me nuke it.
Watch, my shoes light up.
There's my ribs last night.
Whoa.
Holy heck.
Guys, put that down. Just making your dirty.
I've turned into quite the fancy cook by living in the camper. We live off of grilled cheese, tomato soup, and spaghetti, basically. Elias, what are you doing?
Cleaning the eggs.
Cleaning the eggs. You like helping mommy clean the eggs? That's a really poopy one. Why don't you grab a different one? This is how many he's washed so far. Now I'm gonna help him and we're gonna wash the rest of the eggs. Here we go. have done such a good job, buddy, washing those eggs.
Of course, I am.
Of course I am. All those eggs, Elias and I cleaned. John, are you going to use your drone to take some footage of the house for me? Please, please, please! There goes the drone! Woohoo!
I've been working on putting the soffit on the front of the house here. I got the whole side done over there.
Looks good.
I just got to trim it out of aluminum.
The whole side with soffit? Seriously?
Yep.
Let's go see. Holy cow! John left earlier and James got all of this done by himself. All this soffit on this side of the house. Oh my gosh.